Guys, it's Marianne the Frugal Chef. I hope you're doing really well today. Welcome to the last day of cocktail week. Good week, huh? I will ask you again, please enjoy this responsibly. We are making a Paloma. This is a very popular, super elegant and chic Mexican drink with tequila and grapefruit. We are not going to use grapefruit soda, which is used also in this recipe. Instead, we're going to use sparkling water and agave and grapefruit juice. Before we do anything, please turn on the notification button so that you don't miss out on anything. And let's make this. Let's prepare a glass for our Paloma. I'm just going to rub some lime on the rim here. And I don't want to be very heavy on the salt here. I just want a tiny bit, so I'm just gonna dunk it and take it out. Like that, that's plenty. I'm going to add 2 ounces of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice in here. I'm gonna use agave to sweeten this instead of grapefruit soda, which is another option. You can also use sugar or simple syrup, okay? So I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of agave. About a tablespoon of lime juice, 2 ounces of silver tequila. So we give that a mix. I'm gonna put a thin slice of grapefruit in there. Ice and carbonated water. About that. Perfect. Very nice. This is super refreshing, guys. And our Paloma is ready. Salud! Beautiful. We have that little tartness from the grapefruit. Super refreshing with the carbonated water. And that little salt on the rim. This is delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next week. We are going to do all low carb food next week. I gotta lose all the pounds I've been putting on making all these things for you. So see you on Monday.